Hello everyone. We have water treatment project. This is tissue, pebble, gravel, a charcoal, sand, muslin coat. Now we're going to filter. This is a cup we made with a bottle like this, but it is a bit different. This is square, so this is round. See? So we have dirty water. So with this dirty water, we're going to filter. So
필터 samati.
okay. So I will pour it.
Start.
So this clean water, we made it from the filter. You see? So it is really good. Today, we built a water treatment project. Now it's finished. So next time we'll make another project with some idea. I hope you like it. Bye bye. See you next time.